Hello boss, I'm Claire from UCM Machinery. Now let me show you the SANY pump track. This SANY pump track is equipped with a remarkable 52-meter pump height, enabling it to reach far and wide on the construction site. The precise connection and high-quality method of pump pipe ensure efficiency and accurate concrete placement. The reliable extrusion tracks provide a stable foundation. Its durable and excellent maneuverability make it suitable for a variety terrain. Step into the cab with the well-designed control panel and comfortable seat for the driver. If you are interested, please contact me. Good price.